Welcome to Thailand. Today I will take everyone to Paradonpap Beach. Is a long beach parallel to the road, dense with coconut trees along the route. The beachfront has restaurants and a fishing village, including many hotels. Is a path that passes through many tourist attractions suitable as a relaxing seat and eating. Nearby places: Sairi Beach, Prince Chumphon Shrine and Memorial, and Kamatsi Viewpoint. Paradonpap Beach is in Chumphon Province, southern part of Thailand. Chumphon Province is considered a gateway to the south. When coming down from the central region, general condition with high mountains, there are many important rivers such as Thapao River. Every river flows into the Gulf of Thailand. In the sea off the coast of Chumphon Province, there are nearly 50 islands. Travel by car. From Bangkok, take highway number 4, Petkar Sam Road, through Phetchaburi Province, Prachuapkiri Khan. After that, turn left into the city of Chumphon for about 8 kilometers. From Chumphon Province, take highway 4001 for approximately 15 kilometers to reach the Paradonpap Beach. Travel by train from Bangkok station. Take about 8 hours to Chumphon train station. After that, use the method of car rentals on motorbike rentals to travel to the Paradonpap Beach. Travel by plane from Don Mueang Airport. Travel to Chumphon Airport. It takes about 1 hour. After that, use the method of renting a car or renting a motorbike to travel to the Paradonpap Beach. Details such as location, tourist, hotel, restaurant link under this video.